Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your iCloud storage usage in Settings or System Preferences. Look for iCloud Drive and view the storage breakdown by app. Confirm how much space you need to free, such as 5 GB or 50 GB. Remember that deleting from iCloud Drive removes files from all synced devices immediately. Backup important files locally or to an external drive before deletion. Use a dedicated backup folder and verify copies exist. This prevents accidental permanent loss of crucial documents and photos. Open Settings and tap your name to access iCloud settings on your device. Tap iCloud, then iCloud Drive, and review the list of apps using storage. To remove items, open the Files app and navigate to iCloud Drive folders. Select files or folders, then tap Delete to remove them from iCloud. After deletion, open Recently Deleted in the Files app and choose Remove All to free space permanently. If you want to stop future syncing, disable iCloud Drive in Settings and confirm the change. On a Mac, open Finder and click iCloud Drive in the sidebar to view files. Move files to local folders or an external drive before deleting them from iCloud Drive. Select items and press Delete, then empty the trash to reclaim space. On Windows, open the iCloud for Windows app or File Explorer iCloud Drive to remove files similarly. You can also sign in at iCloud.com, delete files there, and empty the website trash to finalize clearing. Verify your storage in System Preferences or iCloud for Windows after finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.